Hi everybody, and welcome to a kind of sad 180 Markets Weekly Wrap. And why I say sad, well, everybody is left. That's right. Sean, Ariella, they're up in Sydney. Everybody here is on vacation mode, and it is just me. So I need to hold down the fort. Well, today we're going to talk about cracks. That's right. There's some cracks out there in the market and how we are going to take advantage. But for starters, let's start with the three cracks that we are seeing out there. The first one is in the private debt market, which is something that we've been watching. Second is obviously the war in the Middle East. And third, unfortunately, Sean, we're going to have to watch those cracks in Carlton because even though it's only game one, that Q3 was not that impressive. Now, back to private debt. Now, private debt will be all of the focus next week. And that is because one of the largest private debt providers out there, Cliffwater, they are going to allow redemptions from individual investors. And we'll find out just how many dollars are coming out. Now, why is this important? This is important because private debt has been one of the largest growth areas in capital markets over the last 24 months. And it has been an absolute bonanza. So we need to watch, are things slipping? Because whenever you see cracks in financings, it is certainly something to keep your eye on. Now, the other item, of course, is the war in the Middle East, and there's not a lot we can do about it. But let's focus on what we can do. Well, pleasingly, here in Australia, there are many commodity companies that have fantastic balance sheets. They're in the development stage of their path, and these are places to focus because they control their destiny. Companies like Astral Resources, $450 million company, a lot of cash in the balance sheet, clear path to production. These are the areas that we need to focus on right now, where we have a little bit more control. And not only that, capital markets, well, they're still wide open here in Australia for the right company. And specifically, IPOs, which have been so tough for about a year and a half, IPOs are back. And they are back with better management teams, better prospects, better projects. And that is a place, again, to focus on. Companies like Wolf Energy, which closed early, Valiant Gold. These are companies where they are coming with a highly experienced management team that understands location, understands what to do, and these are exciting places for us to look as investors. Now, for this weekend, obviously Formula One will be all the rage here, especially in Melbourne. So for those of you that can get to it, it is a great event. And for those of you that can't, obviously one of the greatest events to watch on TV. Have a great weekend.